Hey all, my name's Felicia Fallum. I hope you're doing well today. A lot of what I do surrounds the idea of social change through cultural art. This video, however, is a compilation of just some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful nature images and sceneries from different trips and travels this past fall. So I hope you enjoy the beauty. If something inspires you, feel free to sit down and sketch out the nature. My spiritual practice is pretty traditional Christianity. One of the things that I absolutely love, though, is nature. I think nature is something so beautiful that I think we all can agree on is incredible. And what I love most about it is that it points us back to the Creator. And so I hope you'll enjoy these beautiful moments with creation.
Sorry, it's the first time in a board
Something that I've done this past season is just taking some time to watch leaves fall. If you haven't done it, I really suggest giving it a try.
All right, guys, who wants candy?
Woo!
All right, can we get a countdown from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Ah! I was watching the corn maze, or the grain train.
It's from the corn that they're trying to do.
Oh, that makes sense. You dancing? You done dancing? As soon as the music came on, he started dancing. Oh, the cows all disappeared. Should we go see if we can find a cow? There's the cow. He's hidden. We don't need to go to the cows, though. Do you see the red leaves falling? Did you fall? You want back up? Look, there's a leaf there. Hi! Hi, babies. Also choose to crawl. To crawl. Yeah. Kind of, what? This next little bit is from the V-Bar Ranch, and we were there, we went to college in Laramie, Wyoming. This is about 20 minutes away in Centennial, a small little town. And one of the things I thought was really interesting when we were back home is that in this clip you do see a little bit of the oranges, but the majority of the trees were yellow. Where we're at now, we see oranges and reds and all sorts of colors, but back where we grew up, it was mostly yellow. So just it was
That lesson.
interesting to be back there and to see. Yeah. You ever seen animals that look like these?
Set up for cowboys to practice roping.
And if you ever do get the chance to go to the V-Bar, I would encourage you to take the opportunity to go for it.
Rain, son. What do you think of the leaves? And the rose bushes?
Hey, if you're still here, thanks so much for watching. I would love to hear what your favorite season is and why, what you love about nature, and also why for that. Thank you again, and have a great fall or season that you're in.